Hey there! So, you've taken the leap and started your own business. Congratulations! But now comes the big question. How do you land those all-important first 10 clients? Trust me, I've been there, and today, I'm breaking it down into simple steps you can start using right now. First things first, let's talk about your network. This is your gold mine. Reach out to friends, family, even your old college roommate. Don't be shy. Send a personalized message, not a generic blast, letting them know what you offer and who you help. Ask if they know anyone who could benefit from your services. You'll be surprised how many leads come from your own circle. Next up, social proof. People trust people. If you can, offer your service at a discounted rate, or even for free, to your first 1 or 2 clients in exchange for testimonials. Those testimonials, they're your golden ticket to building trust with new clients. Now let's talk about showing up online. You don't need fancy ads or a huge following. Start by sharing helpful tips on your social media. Maybe go live with a quick Q&A, or post a behind the scenes of your process. The goal is to show potential clients you know your stuff and are ready to help. Here's a game changer. Join local Facebook groups or online communities where your ideal clients hang out. Don't pitch right away. Instead, answer questions, offer advice, and genuinely connect. People will start to notice your expertise and reach out. Don't underestimate the power of follow-ups. If someone shows interest but doesn't commit, check in a few days later. Often, that gentle nudge is all it takes to seal the deal. And finally, automate what you can. Time is precious, especially when you're just getting started. That's why I recommend checking out Go High Level's AI Employee. It's like having an extra set of hands to help with scheduling, follow-ups, and more, so you can focus on what you do best. There's even a free 14-day trial linked in the description below. Give it a shot. You've got nothing to lose. So, to recap, tap into your network, collect testimonials, show up online, join communities, follow up, and automate. Getting your first 10 clients isn't about luck. It's about taking focused action, one step at a time. Ready to start? Check out that link below and let's make those client goals a reality. You've got this.